Today, CS Labels is totally a digital house operating 5 digital reel-to-reel presses, which makes us the largest user of the technology within Europe. We have a wide, diverse range of customers. We offer a trade service to the print industry, but also we are heavily involved in food, beverage, chemicals, electronics. So at the end of the day, we have established an excellent reputation for innovation and use of technology within this industry. We felt that Xeikon was a better commercial fit for the company where we were at that particular time, in the type of the customers we were dealing with, the type of work that we were undertaking. It was a much easier technology in order to utilise and implement. The support that we had from Xeikon was far better than the support that we were having from the other digital houses that were available.
The key benefits obviously of the Xeikon press is to have the direct through contact. The light fastness of the toners is superb compared to obviously the liquid toner, and the uptime on the Xeikons we find are far higher than what we can find out from the market with the HBs. We can do 20 minutes maintenance in the mornings and we can run for 18 hours a day.
When we learnt about the Xeikon Cheetah coming to the marketplace, we were extremely excited. Not only did it offer us the opportunity to increase the capacity within the factory, but also it would enable us to transfer production across from our existing units to enable those presses to look at entering into new marketplaces such as flexible packaging.
The Cheetah's been installed for a month now and it's been running absolutely brilliantly. We're now on around about 315,000 linear metres and we're seeing the consumables last just as well as the other press. The printing quality between the Cheetah and the other 4 presses that we have is exactly the same. The productivity of the Cheetah is far greater than the speed increase of 56%, partly because we've improved the workflow feeding into the machine, so there's a lot less human interaction with it. So we're sending the files down pre-laid out automatically, and we're keeping the substrate on as long as we can. So for instance, white PP will keep on press for 2 days and we'll just run job after job after job on the one roll, which means we're getting less stoppage and wastage on the press, and we're seeing our productivity gains increase from 56%, which is just a speed increase, to an actual gain of around about 80 to 90%. The Xeikon Cheetah has opened up certainly the longer run market for us. We're very much, obviously, we were quite comfortable with 30,000 linear metres running through, but with the Xeikon Cheetah being able to run a 56% quicker and the 10% cheaper toner, we're easily being able to target the flexo market up to around about the 60 to 70,000 linear.